Ever wondered how this turns into this? At massive scale. They are cut, frozen, and packaged here. But here's the surprising part. Let's go inside the process. The journey begins with the potato. Thousands arrive daily and are unloaded. From here, they move continuously through the factory. Before becoming fries, they must pass their first test. Not every is suitable. Potatoes are inspected and sorted as they move. Because the entire line keeps thousands moving. Begins. Next, the potatoes are thoroughly washed. Large systems use water to remove debris. Powerful water jets clean them while tumbling. Fresh potatoes now look completely different, and that's the job of the next machine. Instead of workers peeling potatoes one by one, industrial machines handle the job. The potatoes move through mechanical peeling equipment that removes the outer skin at high speed. This is where it gets fast. The peeled potatoes enter a specialized cutting system. Inside, they become long, uniform strips. Fries need to be consistent to cook evenly later. But before frying, the potato strips go through additional processing. One important stage is blanching. The fries are briefly treated with hot water under controlled conditions. This helps prepare the potato. After blanching, excess moisture needs to be reduced. The fries move through drying equipment. Powerful airflow removes surface moisture. This prepares them for the next stage. Soon, now comes the transformation. The fries enter a massive industrial fryer. The surface develops that golden color. But here's the twist. They're still not finished. After frying, the fries are rapidly cooled and frozen. This is what prepares them for storage and transportation. The idea is simple. The factory does much while the final cooking happens later. Quality control is built into the production process. Automated systems and trained workers monitor the product. The goal is to meet specifications before they're packaged. Now the frozen fries are ready for packaging. Automated machines measure and fill individual bags. Packages are sealed, labeled, and moved rapidly down the conveyor. The journey still isn't over. Finished packages are organized into cartons and prepared for distribution. They can then travel through a temperature-controlled supply chain towards stores, the next stop. So let's look at the entire journey one more time. A potato arrives at the factory. It's sorted, washed, peeled, is actually the result of a highly coordinated So the next time you see a bag of frozen French fries, which food should we take inside next? Pizza? Even more surprising? Let me know in the comments.